Hello, fantastic Maryville University students. My name is Dr. Stan Reilly, and I will be your professor, instructor, facilitator, guide uh, in our course of Management 647, Organizational Behavior. And I am very, very excited about working with you and getting to know each of you better in the 8 weeks of time that we'll be spending together, which will likely fly by. So I wanted to talk a little bit about organizational behavior because in a course where we are thinking about organizations and we put those two words, organizations, behavior, together, it's almost like business ethics. It's almost a contradiction. But the thing about organizational behavior is the fact that um, organizations or a business that we tend to think of as like a building or a skyscraper or a some footprint on the landscape somewhere as a building, a structure, doesn't behave, but it's the people inside that are the behavioral agents, the change agents, the those that develop the culture of the business. So the behavior, the collective behavior of the people within the building is what organizational behavior is all about. And there's so many influences uh, out there and the macro environment, and we'll be talking about that. But the fact that we're dealing with humans like ourselves, even though we do have a lot of technology coming in and kind of invading the human element. Uh, we must always remember that technology is a tool that we use, not a replacement for us. But but the fact that we have to think about behavior of humans, our coworkers, the fact that we have them, they are emotional beings. That we talk about emotional intelligence in business. The fact that as long as we have human coworkers, uh, that they will bring into the business their human issues, uh, uh, problems, strengths, weaknesses, that we as leaders in business need to, and students of business must always try to find ways to make work in an ensemble type environment. Even though many of us are working remotely, we still have to come together and collaborate. And that collaboration is something that's very special as we look at business and organizational behavior as a major theme and topic that we'll be covering. And we want to make sure that people feel like individuals. We want to make sure that people feel like they are invested into the business. And we want to also give them a sense of uh, uh, closeness and that as a like I said, as part of, and and that every job is valued and is important. But we also want to make sure that we avoid the concept of groupthink, where employees might feel powerless to express themselves and just hence follow the leader, whomever that may be. And it may not be somebody that is doing the right thing. So all of these things we have to keep in mind as we study this wonderful social, societal, psychological um, um, uh, discipline as we blend that into the organizational behavior class for this term. All right. And we'll be talking about all of those different disciplines. sciences. Okay, so arts and sciences. It's everything. Business is an art, and business is a science. And it's part of the social fabric of what makes us work together. So we have to consider societal health and environmental health and infrastructural health and the influx of technology and of course the impact of the economy and politics and all of that onto businesses. But I know you don't want to listen to me go on and on. So, in wrapping up, I want to make sure that you please read all of the announcements that I post on the homepage. Make sure that you engage rigorously in our discussion forums because that's how we learn best from each other when we share our experiences. This is a busy class. You will have assignments each week, and you will have some weeks 2 discussion questions. Not every week, some weeks. You'll have a quiz, just a short little innocent quiz every week, and you'll have a final project. And I'll go over all of that with you as we progress ahead. Please don't forget to write your introduction so that we can get to know you and celebrate our diversity. And if you want to have Zoom meetings periodically just to touch base and catch up, I'm certainly willing to do that. In fact, I might just schedule some and see how it happens. Uh, of course, I'll make a recording for you to watch later, but it's so great if we have our Zoom meetings to have people, all of you, hopefully, in attendance so that I can hear your questions and your classmates can say, yeah, I was thinking the very same thing. But I'm gonna wrap it there. I'm so looking forward to working with you in this course. And the subject matter is exciting, and you even get to watch a movie as part of the requirements. So stay tuned for that. No pun intended. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looking forward to the weeks ahead and roll up your sleeves. All right, take care. See you soon. All right, bye bye for now.